Freedom Team here with Overhead Doors Unlimited and Eric Crawl. Eric, thanks for joining us today. We have this beautiful custom garage door. They can book them now for the spring or summer season, but I'm going to ask, as always, I want to ask our expert to give us a little bit of freebie of knowledge. So let's transition over and take a look at something that he sees.
So I'm going to show you real quick preventive maintenance, we call it. We recommend doing this twice a year, or if your door starts to get noisy. A lot of moving parts on a garage door. Best thing to keep them lubricated and allow them to work freely. We use WD-40. You want to use something light, but you want to spray your rollers and your hinges. This is a real quick, easy process, something that anyone can do. We obviously recommend doing this when your vehicle is not going to be in the garage. When your garage door opens, gravity works, your WD-40 is going to fall on your car. But there's just moving parts, there's bearings on the ends, and you spray your springs. It's just a real quick, easy thing that you can do to help yourself down the road with your garage door. Then as you open up your garage door, what we recommend is you move the garage door back and forth to make sure none of your rollers or anything are stuck in position. Should help you get more longevity out of parts of your garage.
Perfect. Thanks for the quick tips.